In this video, we want to solve for a given 4 raised to power a plus 4 raised to power a is equal to 80. This will imply, since we have exactly the same thing being added together twice, we have 2 times 4 raised to power a is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 2. So this 2 cancels this, and then you have 40 on the right. Therefore, we now have 4 raised to power a is equal to 40. This is an exponential equation. Let us take the logarithm of both sides of this problem. So we have log 4 raised to power a is equal to log 40. This expression on the left is of the form log p raised to power c, and by law of logarithm this will give us c times log p. So we have a times log 4 is equal to log 40. I'll go ahead and divide both sides by log 4. And then we can divide log 4 on the left. So we have a is equal to log 40 divided by log 4. We can also write this as a is equal to log 40 here is 8 times 5, then divided by log 4. At this point, I'm going to separate these products, and to do that, I will apply another law of logarithm. Given log m times p, by law of logarithm, this will give us log m plus log p. So a becomes log 8 plus log 5, all divided by log 4. This would then imply a is equal to log 8 over log 4, then plus log 5 over log 4. A is equal to log 8 is 2 raised to power 3, and then 4 is 2 raised to power 2, plus log 5 divided by log 4, which is 2 raised to power 2. Then we have a is equal to 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. Log 2 will cancel log 2 here, so a is 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 divided by log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2 is of the form log m divided by log p, and by law of logarithm this will give us log m base p. So a becomes 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2. This is our final answer to this problem. We'll now do a quick check to confirm that this is correct. And to check, we go into the given equation 4 raised to power a plus 4 raised to power a equal 80, and substitute this new value of a in places of a here. So we get 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 4 raised to power 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 to give us 80. Let us separate these powers. To do that, I'll use this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n will give us a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So each of these will now become 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 plus 4 raised to power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to power 1 over 2 log 5 base 2 to give us 80. Four raised to power 3 over 2 here simply means square root of 4, then raised to power 3, then times here also square root of 4, now raised to power log 5 base 2, then same thing here, plus square root of 4, raised to power 3, times square root of 4, raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 80. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2 raised to power 3, then times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2, plus the same thing, 2 raised to power 3, times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 80. 2 raised to power 3 is 8, so we have 8 times, this remains the same, 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 plus 2 raised to power 3 is 8 times 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 to give us 80. This expression, which is exactly what we have here, is of the form p raised to power log m base p. And by law of logarithm, this is m. Therefore, applying the same law, this is going to give us 5. This as well will give us 5. Then we have 8 times 5. Then plus 8 times 5 to give us 80. 8 times 5 here is 40, so we have 40. Then plus 8 times 5 again, 40 to give us 80. 40 plus 40 is 80. So we have 80 is equal to 80. And since the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, that confirms that the solution we just got for A is perfectly correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. And remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.